Hi, my name is Alexia Quincy. I'm the founder and director of Cap Soc Agency. Cap Soc is a content marketing agency headquartered in Los Angeles that works with clients to develop out social media strategy as well as implementation. So, as you can imagine, I love social media. I'm probably just as addicted to it as you are, but I try to use it with intention. I try to be mindful with social media. So, that's what we're going to talk about today: social media mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being intentional with and paying attention to our actions. So, for example, when we think about meditation, a person is being mindful of sitting still. They may be mindful of their thoughts or their breathing in order to calm their bodies. A person who is a mindful speaker or who is mindful of what they say is somebody who thinks first and allows the words to come out clearly and with intention. We can be mindful in all areas of our life, and maybe we should. So, similarly, we can also use social media mindfully. All right, show of hands. How many of you pick up your phone all through the day without even really thinking about it? How many of you pull out your phone when you're in line at the grocery store? Or if you're like me, put on a show on Netflix just to pick up your phone and be on Google or Twitter the whole time? How many of you pick up your phone every time you're at a stoplight? It's nothing to be ashamed of. Most of us do it, and we've somewhat been conditioned to. Also, keep in mind that these apps are created to be addictive. And so that's their nature. But our goal is to have a healthier relationship with our devices and a healthier relationship with social media so that we're not losing ourselves in it. And let's clear some things up because at this point, you might be asking, well, what's wrong with social media? I use it for my business, I make new friends, I always figure out the latest things happening because I'm online. All of that is true, and all of those are positive benefits to social media. But there can be some downsides as well. And one of those is that research shows that social rewards and social punishments feel the same online as offline. Your brain is processing all of this information as if it is physically happening to you. So let me break down what that means. That means you get the same physical boost, emotional, mental boost from walking down the street and somebody saying, "Girl, your hair looks good today." The same way as when you hop online and see that somebody commented on an Instagram post, "Hey, girl, your hair looks good today." Your body processes that the same way. Similarly, when you tweet something and nobody says anything, or if everybody gangs up on you online one day, or if somebody's like, "Oh, girl, why'd you have that shirt on?" It affects you physically in the same way as being ignored in real life or somebody saying something negative to you in real life. So emotional pain can be just as painful, if not more. And it doesn't matter if it comes from the virtual world or not. Pair this with the fact that you're scrolling and scrolling and scrolling all day. And again, I'm not just talking to y'all because I do it too. Have you ever had times where you're scrolling and you just kind of like, why am I doing this? It's not just something you're looking at and not being affected by. I promise that you're going to start to feel a little different. And I dare say better when you're more mindful of your social media use, when you're paying more attention to how you feel when you're on social media. But first, you have to be aware of it.